Hey everybody, it's Dr. Blake, the Cooking Doc. So have you seen these? The Beyond Burgers, the Impossible Burgers, all these new fake meat products coming on the market trying to encourage people to eat less red meat and to substitute these as an alternative. As a nephrologist, as a real doctor, and a cooking doctor, and somebody who really is invested in making sure people are eating healthy food, I thought it would be important for me to go through some of the pros and cons of these burgers and just let you know my thoughts about how you should incorporate these meals into your daily diet. Let's talk about the best thing about these burgers first, and that is the flavor. These burgers, from my point of view, are the closest thing you can get in a vegetarian or vegan option to the flavor of real meat. So I personally enjoy them. I think they're very tasty. They substitute meat very well, but you gotta try them for yourself. Let's see what you think. Okay, let's talk about the health of these burgers and whether or not these burgers are healthier for you than red meat. And it depends on what you mean by are these burgers healthy for you. Do you mean are they going to improve your blood pressure? Are they good for your heart? Are they good for your kidneys? Are they going to help you lose weight? And I think we still don't know any of that. And actually the answer to all of those is probably no. But if you are really tapering off your red meat intake overall, so you're not just substituting a fake burger for a real burger, but you're cutting out your red meat all throughout your diet, there are studies that show that diets that are less in red meat can help you lower your risk of a lot of different diseases. So from that standpoint, you may be improving your diet and you may be improving your health. I like to think about foods as part of an overall dietary pattern, right? What are you eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner? What are you eating throughout the whole week, throughout the whole month, throughout the whole year? I don't look at individual meals and individual foods and try to figure out if that is going to make your health better or not. Because you may substitute a fake meat patty for a real meat patty on Monday, but the rest of your diet, if it doesn't get healthier, it doesn't matter. If you've been paying attention to the media, you'll see that Burger King now has a fake meat burger, and every other single fast food chain, it's coming, okay? So my fear is that all these people that wouldn't go to fast food restaurants before because there were no vegetarian options or no vegan options, or they just weren't interested in fast food because they were deciding they were going to improve their health by avoiding that, my fear is that all these people will now be sucked into Burger King. You're driving by, you're looking for a meal, you're vegetarian, now you can say, oh, Burger King's got a vegetarian vegan burger. So you pull in there, you get your lunch, and instead of missing out on all that stuff, you end up in Burger King. Not only do you get the burger, but you get the fries and you get the soda. Whereas before you would have picked a salad from somewhere else, now you're in Burger King, they've got you in. They're gonna encourage you to eat a totally vegan meal, but it's not gonna be healthy. And that is my biggest fear, that people that are already eating healthy will be suckered into eating unhealthy foods because they have these vegetarian and vegan options available at these fast food restaurants. So here's the bottom line on these burgers. I think they taste great, but don't choose these burgers if you want a change in your diet that's gonna better your health. If you want a burger to better your health, choose a black bean and quinoa burger. Eat it at home, have a salad on the side, a whole grain bun. Don't get the fries. For more health information, make sure you stop by my website, thecookingdoc.co. I've got a blog. Sign up for my email list. Weekly tips and recipes directly to your inbox, and we'll see you next time.